How to check and fix if you've been hacked. Imagine waking up to find your bank account empty, your social media hijacked, or your private photos leaked online. Scary, right? But here's the thing. You might already be hacked and not even know it. I'm going to show you exactly how to check if you've been compromised and, more importantly, how to fix it. Let's go. Let me show you the fastest way to check if you've been hacked. It's completely free, and it takes less than 60 seconds. Step 1. Head to haveabeenpoint.com. This is like Google for hacked accounts, trusted by cybersecurity experts worldwide. Step 2. Enter your email. Pro tip: check all your email addresses, even old ones. Hackers love finding forgotten accounts. Red means you've been compromised. Green means you're safe, for now. But what if you want ongoing protection? Here are 3 powerful tools the pros use. Privacy Garage and McAfee Identity Monitor scans the dark web for your info, monitors social media accounts, real-time alerts if you're compromised. Password Managers generates unbreakable passwords, securely stores everything, one-click secure login, built-in breach alerts. Credit Monitoring tracks suspicious activity, instant fraud alerts, protection against identity theft. If you discover you're hacked, here's your emergency response plan. Change passwords now. Start with email, it's the master key. Use generated passwords only. Never reuse passwords. Enable 2-factor authentication everywhere. Use authenticator apps. Avoid SMS when possible. Save backup codes. Money protection. Freeze credit cards. Contact bank immediately. Document everything. Let's make sure this never happens again. Set up breach alerts, I'll show you how. Use a password manager, stop reusing passwords. Enable 2-factor authentication on everything. Regular security checkups. Power user moves. Create email aliases for each service. Use hardware security keys. Set up automatic password rotation. Enable login notifications. Next week, I'm showing you how to create disposable email addresses and secure temporary passwords. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. What's your biggest online security fear? Let's tackle it together.